Hello everyone, happy Monday. Welcome to this week's vlog. I wanted to come on here and say hello. I'm currently about to head out. I'm gonna go pick up Grace and we're meeting Genevieve at Westward. It is oyster time, it is dinner time, and I'm just excited to catch up and be with the girls. But before I go, last week when I was in SF, I did an emergency Sephora run, and since then I have been obsessed with this lip product. It's the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. I have the shade Strawberry Sorbet. This is so good. I'm so obsessed. It is definitely worth the hype. I did see it on TikTok and my friend Erin also told me about it, and it's just so good. I love it so much. It's so wearable and it feels so amazing on the skin. So I wanted to give that a little plug. But I'm going to be on my way now. Today I'm wearing these sunnies. These are from Reality Eyewear, but I don't even know if I'm going to need them. I'm in the garage right now. I don't know if the sun is out or not, but I'm going to head out. I'm going to go, and I'll see you all at dinner.
Oh, honey.
Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, and I'm walking to the office, but I'm making a quick coffee stop at Monorail Espresso to have a little treat this morning. Happy Wednesday, everyone. I have just gotten ready for the day. I'm heading to the office this morning, and this is what I am wearing. It's cozy, it's gloomy, and we gotta stay warm. So today I just have on my Better Call Sister cardigan. I'm wearing this little gray pointel tee. This is from Dunst. And then I just have it paired with this wrap skirt from Beginning. I'm wearing my dark wash Uniqlo jeans and my brown Doc Martens shoes. So I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna get hot pot after work today. I'm so excited, but it's gonna be a good Wednesday and we're gonna survive this work day. Thursday afternoon, and I'm walking to meet Mari at C. Smith. I'm going to catch up, and we have a lot of things going on together next week, so I think it'll be fun to kind of like plan those out and just chat and hang out and end this Thursday on a high note. But I'm going to go do that, and then this evening I'm taking Sarah to dinner for her birthday to celebrate. But it's going to be a good day, and the sun is out, and I'm ready for some iced tea. This is my outfit of the night. I just came home from the coffee shop and now I'm gonna head to dinner. This is what I'm wearing. I'm carrying my little red Marge Sherwood suede bowling bag. I have on this knit crew neck. I just got this in the mail from Sezane and I'm obsessed. The fit is so good. And I just have it paired with my Aritzia belt and my Leopard pants from Jaded London. And then for my shoes, I'm just gonna wear my Adidas Taekwondo ones, the black ones, and then I just have on my sunnies. So this is my outfit of the evening. I'm gonna head out and I'll see you all at dinner.
Should I do like... Am I gonna be happy? Am I gonna be happy? Am I gonna be happy?
Wait, it's so cute!
Want to break away, when I feel so lonely. Let me
Medford, Oregon today. We are going to a wedding this weekend, and we're just excited to celebrate the couple again, travel again, but that's the plan for this weekend, so I'll take you with us, but it's going to be a very quick turnaround, and then tomorrow we'll be back in Seattle. I'm just getting ready for the week ahead, so see you all in Medford. Hello everyone, we just got home a little bit ago from the airport. We took the light rail home and I just washed up. I unpacked. I am an immediate unpacker. I don't like it to sit. I literally do that before I take a shower. But we're now gonna have some sweet green. It looks so good. I was feeling the barbecue chicken one today. I love the apples in it. It's so good. But I think for the rest of the day, we're just gonna chill and take it easy, probably go to Whole Foods. And then I truly just wanna lay in bed for the rest of the day. I'm watching quite a few shows now, so I just want to catch up on all of those and prepare for the coming week, which is going to be another busy one. So happy Sunday, happy to be home, but let's just have a relaxing Sunday evening together. Why is it annoying? We just came back from the grocery store and we got some good stuff, so I thought I would show you what we got. It is the first day of fall, so all of the pumpkin and fall inspired snacks were out, and I think we may have gone a little bit overboard, but I'm very happy with everything we got. So got some little immune boosting shots just because we've been traveling. I didn't know that Hit Peas made like chip version, so I wanted to try these out. I like the Rock and Ranch flavor. The Beaches crackers, you know, are my favorite with their sharp cheddar. It's my favorite, just like easy go-to snack. Because it's now starting to be gloomy. It's officially soup weather, and this is my favorite soup. It's so good for just like an easy lunch. It's the chicken and wild rice soup from Pacific Foods. Love this. And then I also got the dairy-free queso grain-free puff snacks from Siete. So those sound good. And then they also had these peanuts calendars. I got the big one and the little one. This one I think I'm gonna take to work and put near my desk. And then this one is obviously for our house, but I can't believe we're already buying calendars for 2025. That feels really insane. But we have smoked salmon, turkey, these little peanut butter, dark chocolate, pumpkin candies. Those looked really good. Also the Sweet Lawrence pumpkin spice cookie dough. Never had that before, but it looks good. Here's the Beacher's cheese I was talking about. Got some mozzarella balls, a bunch of sumo oranges, yum yum, some plums. I also have some tomatoes, some nice little heirlooms, eggs, of course. And then I wanted to try this flavor of the Jenny's ice cream. This is the green mint chip, but it says peppermint cream with crunchy bittersweet chocolate. So that sounds delish. But I'm gonna put this all away, and then I'm gonna prepare my hard-boiled eggs for the week, I think. I haven't done that for a few weeks, and I feel like it would be nice to have for the coming week. so good.